Hello, 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 everybody. How's it going? Man, this is yesterday was a bloodbath. It was just really that FOMC meeting just really killed the market. Today we had the unemployment happen and it was better than expected. That's great. The previous was 242, it's all the way down to 220. It was predicted to be 229. The final GBP for the quarter came out and it was better than expected. So we got some good news here. So things should probably keep on doing what yesterday was doing. Let's see here. Let's see what happened with that unemployment when that happened. That was pretty intense yesterday. Let's see. The gold went down $20 in the last 6 hours. So the dollar's really strong, man. The dollar is strong. Ever since Powell started speaking yesterday. See about cryptos. Cryptos were so down yesterday. They're starting to come back up today. Let's see what happened. That went way down. This is what happened when the news happened yesterday. It was just crazy. Went down $1,000. And now it's, where is it at? So it only went back to here. Yeah, let's look at the strength. I think we're going to trade like Forex today because now USD, I feel like it should be way stronger than this, huh? The odd versus JPY. Yeah, JPY is the only one that's really horrible. Today's going to be a low trading day because of what happened yesterday. It was just, whew, we. See here. Look at how bad Apple fell after. So we had it right here to go up. It went up and made so much money for us for an hour, and it was still going up. But then, when that meeting happened at 11, Apple just shot down. Amazon shot down. It was like the craziest day. Tesla shot down. Look, it's still like everything's down. When have you ever seen anything like this on US 30? The last 24 hours, Apple down 2%, Microsoft down almost 4%, Amazon down 4%, Nvidia down 1%, Walmart down 2%, Home Depot down 4%, IBM, CRE. I'm talking about every stock took a hit yesterday. The only one that didn't is you and health because it's been going down every day. And then the V, didn't go down as far as it usually does. But if you look, everything is red. There's nothing but one green on the whole map. And then this Boeing was just negative 0.24. Have we ever seen that before? No, never. I'm gonna take a picture of that. That's like crazy. Let's look at the NS. This is the 100 stocks. Same thing, just all red. Man, Tesla down 8%. Facebook down 4% almost. Google, Avgo. We have never seen this many numbers down. It was one of the biggest falls in history. Think about what I said. In history. Here we go, the 500 companies. Look at how bad they did. Everything red. Only one green. And that was the company that was doing the worst. Those health services always do good. These are the health services. Look, some of those are green on the 500, but look at this. Producer manufacturing. Everybody down. JBL's the only one not. Cat, GM, Deere. I'm telling you guys, I have never seen it. Look at the banks. These are all the banks. Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America. Just amazing. I just never seen anything like this before. I don't even know what, today is gonna happen. Amazon, Costco, Walmart's down. Only thing is CVS wasn't down. It's like a health service though, kind of. Wow. TJ Maxx is down. Lowe's is down. We went there yesterday. McDonald's down. Disney, Royal Caribbean, Airbnb down. Domino's Pizza. It was just, I'm telling you, yesterday was a nightmare. And it looks like the unemployment should drive these things back up. As we can see with the US 30 gained 300. But it lost over 1,000 something yesterday and just gained 300 today. Let's see what that looks like. Like US 30 to go up from here. Bitcoin, the bot called it going up, up and away. It called it down right here. We won. I think I'm gonna switch the bot to trading gold. It just seems to always trade gold, right? US 30 is crazy because it added a V, doesn't really know what it wants to do. But like on the hour setting, for gold. Win. One. This last one didn't win though. Probably will still be in the trade right now. Oh, this is Bitcoin. Never mind. There goes gold. 1 hour in gold down. Yeah, I think, well, I might just trade Bitcoin. Look at this drop. When that guy got on Nas, man, it was such a dramatic drop. You can see it like on the 4 hours, like this candle is so much different than anything else around it. US 30 on 4 hours wins every time too. Barely trades though. Ethereum took a big hit. It was up to 4,000. It took that hit right there. It's not been doing nothing really. Wow. I mean, think about it. This is like the week before when I said to buy. This is the week before that. Like it almost went down 3 weeks worth of gains. For 3 weeks, it was going up, got all the way up here. 1, 2, 3, and now it's down to wow. Mm-mm-mm. I like Apple to move up. I actually I want Apple down here too. Let's see, that's 40. Like it wants to go back down to its low and bounce back up. It looks like 246, 60 for a buy. Man, yesterday, wow. USD JPY, the bot is on fire on this one too. The best trade was odd versus JPY. Let's see, odd versus JPY. Odd or Euro JPY. Let's look at Euro JPY. Where's that at?
Down here at the bottom.
Euro JPY. If you want to ask questions, just unmute. Let's see. Want to go Euro JPY. Six 335. Well, this is 16322. It needs to come down just a little bit. All right, so like we said, yesterday was just a bloodbath, and we can still see it right now on the maps. Like, this is the 500 companies in the world just went down crazy. 100 companies in the world, everything went down. We've never seen this before. This is like a world event, which is, you can look at it two different ways. You could say, well, all the stocks are bad, but what this really means is that the dollar is really strong. And they were saying because of this last quarter, and because they dropped the interest rate a little bit, they were saying the government was working really great. United States was really doing great. And that was from the news. And you can watch these news events like through here yesterday. This is what happened at 11 o'clock that I was talking about yesterday. This right here, there was a press conference. And he had talked on YouTube. We were watching it. Me and Lakana were watching on YouTube. He talked for like 90 minutes, almost 2 hours. It's really, really, really insightful how he was talking about the economy and how good it's doing and how we should be at like 2% interest rates and how they're cutting inflation and they're trying to, by 2 years, have the jobs over the inflation. It's just amazing. All right, so we like a couple trades here. This is Euro JPY to buy. We like US 30 to buy. It already started going up when we said that. We wanted to kind of come down first, but it's already going up. I think I'm going to go long on US 30 for the day because it went down so much. I mean, if you look at it for 4 hours, look what happened during that talk. It went way down 1,000 points. And it was going down for days. Wow. Every candle right here is a day. Look at it, just drop, drop, drop. It could come down to this low lows right here and kind of jump back up. Let's see. How many days did US 30 go down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days it went down. And it's kind of pulling back up right now. So we like US 30 for a buy. This is the sell on gold that we called yesterday. And look how far it went down. You guys could have made so much money on that. We didn't say anything on Bitcoin today. Nothing on none of this. Let's see. And it already opened up. We said to buy on Tesla, buy Apple. And Apple's about to hit where we said to buy at. US 30 is already jumping up. And here we go. US 30 went down, hit the green line, already went back up. US 30. Got US 30 again. Beautiful. Let's see. Apple, we wanted to come down here a little bit further. It did when it woke up, and now it's going up already. And we got Euro JPY to buy, and it's also going up. This US 30. Hopefully you guys got in. Get out right now if you got in. Go ahead and get out. And if it comes back down, then we'll get into US 30 one more time. That was a great call. If it goes back down on US 30, I think I'm going to take it for like the whole day to go up. It just really did bad. Let's look at Euro JPY. It went up. And we had Apple. And Apple been going up. I like this US 30 though. US 30 just went down so much. Hopefully you guys got in that US 30, took the ride. Go ahead and get out. We'll wait for it to come back down and then we'll get in again. We don't want to trade for it to go back down though. This Apple is a good sign. Very low unemployment. So that means that probably is helping out Apple. If Apple goes back down again to the green, it already shot up. Made some profits if you were in there, but if it goes back down, I would buy that around that 246.6. We had Tesla going up. It's kind of a little bit of a mellow day, a little bit. US 30 shooting up though like crazy. SPX 500 shot up a lot. Let's see if this is going to get volatile or is it just going to keep on just shooting up. I want the US 30 to kind of come back down. We can get in again. Don't take this back down because it lost so much yesterday. Don't try to take this back down because you think it's outside the Bollinger Band. Like, don't do that because you got to look at the overall theme of things. If you look at the 4-hour candles, it's like this candle was so crazy that this thing could just keep on shooting up for hours to try to get back where it was consolidated right here at this level. So just wait for US 30 to come back down to take it again. And this is Forex. So this movement right here is really big. It's not like it kind of looks small, but it's not. Here goes Apple again. It really rebounded, going up like we thought. I would probably get out of Apple right now. And then if it drops back down, get in again. This is big profits right here compared to what today is really doing. Who got that US 30 buy? Hopefully everybody got that US 30 buy. Nola kind of loves trading US 30. Think she bought it buying. That was exciting. I was exciting, but yesterday, like, took the breath out of me. I can't even be that excited for US 30, even though we got it right. It's like yesterday was wow. Here goes Apple still going up, Apple going up, up, up. Tesla's going down. That's still a good buy to go back up. We love Apple. Everybody has those Apple phones. Let's go, Apple. Let's look at JPY. Did it get stronger? JPY is still one strength. Okay, US 30 is coming back down. This might be as far as it goes back down, really. I'm going to buy again if it comes back down here. If not, I'm not going to buy US 30. I have to let it go down a little further. Markets aren't moving that good today because of yesterday. It was just so much movement. So here goes the US 30. It might be a good time to buy one more time. It already is going back up. The Forex market is barely even moving. This just looks like a regular time. It's not really doing too much. There's really no movement at all. Look at this. Opening bell, and you get this right here. This is littler than what happened like the whole hour before. This is the news event that went up, shot down real big, and now the opening bell is nothing. That's something that, you know, is pretty weird. We did have Euro JPY, yeah, it's going up, but you would expect way more from the opening bell. Here goes Apple still going up. Apple should be going up for the whole day. Even on this right here, it's like it went way up, but then it got stuck in the middle. Let's see, if you did get it when I told you to get it, it went up to 1,600. Now you would have won $1,000 right here where it is. So that's good. But then if you look at everything else, you know, yes, Apple did make some money right here though. 200. You could have won 200 or 2,000 right there if you would have leveraged that right. Here goes Euro JPY going up a little more. Now, I don't know what to tell everybody. Does anybody have any questions? I'm glad that we won our 2 trades, or 3 actually. We had Apple to go up, we won there. US 30 to go up, we won there. And we had Euro JPY today to go up. Here goes US 30 coming back down. See if we can grab this thing one more time. It looks like this is like the farthest wants to go is like right here, and then it goes back up. But I'm not going to get it again the second time right there. But there is some money to be made by getting it. It keeps on going right there and going back up. Who would have got in right there? I would have been telling people to get out. And how much is that? Is it even worth to trade that? Because it keeps on, it stops right here, and then it goes up to like right here. Well, that's 500 pips. It just doesn't look like that much. It keeps on doing that. It gets to right here, and then it goes to right here. I just seen that do that 3 times. I'm not gonna buy right there, but it is a pretty good trade. I want it to go down a little further. Let me see where Apple's doing. Yeah, Apple's just going straight up. You guys could have stayed in that one. Euro JPY still going up. Yeah, we took some good trades today. But there's no like, you couldn't get into Apple 2 times because it never went down far enough for you to get back in. Thinking about doing Apple for like a long trade today. Let's see. I know on the heat maps. Here it is right here. Stuff is green on the heat maps. We just looked a second ago on the heat maps. Everything was red. Now everything's turning green. Beautiful. And I know, like, I just heard it in my head. It was like, here it is, the 500. Everything looks different. But yeah, I was just thinking in my head, I was hearing, I'm back. Here goes US 30. This is what we were saying. It comes right here and then goes back up here over and over. Let's see if it goes a little lower. Like, I'll probably even buy this right here and just stay in there for the day. If it goes down just a little bit lower. Here it comes. This is even like a good area right here to buy. I'm trying to be super patient. Let it go down a little bit more, but I'll probably not even get in the trade if it doesn't go down a little further. Come on. Here it comes. A little bit more, guys. There it is. This is a really good area right here. All right. All right. Let's see what happens here. And let's see where Apple's at. Did Apple go back down a little bit? You know, I would take Apple long-term strategy today and just wait in Apple for a while. Here goes Apple right here. Let's see. Apple, Apple, Apple. I just took a long-term trade for Apple for the day. It's low leverage, so it's not really that big of a deal. Let's see here. We really have the Euro JPY, right? It just keeps on going up. I don't really feel like buying it right here. It's outside the Bollinger Band. So I'm not gonna be able to buy that again today unless it comes down some. So once again, we had it right. US 30, we had Apple, we had Euro JPY. All of them were winning for us. US 30 did come down and hit our target goal right here. And it went back up. So if you did get in it when it went and hit our target goal, you know, it's up 500 right now. It went up to 700 right here. Let's see if we can get this thing to reach the stars for us one more time. Yeah, there it is, you guys. I hope you guys are in this one. You know, we got it 2 times here. Hope you guys are in. I'm about to get out. Really phenomenal trade. I'm glad. I'm glad it came back for us. It said, I'm back. So hopefully you guys got in, got out up here, this area right here, which it already hit. It'll probably do it again if you didn't get out yet. Don't worry. Let's see what Apple's doing. We got Apple on a long term going up. That's about it. That's all we've seen today. Here goes the US 30 again. If it hits our target goal again, some of you guys can get in one more trade with US 30. US 30. If you did, this might be your last trade right here. Let's see what this heat map is saying on US 30. Looks good. Looks like smooth selling. Nothing's really down a lot. This is the worst 1.5. Everything else is 2, 2, 2, 2s, 1, 1.6. Everything looks great. Smooth selling. Look at this. Is it trying to get a bloodbath again for the second day? This is a simple moving average right here. And it had a lot of volatility right here, and then now it's having a lot of volatility on the second 15 minutes. If you dig in the US 30 the third time, I wouldn't get out right here. I'll be in the waiting game. Let's see what Apple's doing. Amazon's going up. Where's Naveed? Naveed's going up. Walmart is tanking. Tesla's going up. We want to see a big upswing. Let's see if it's overbought. Man, everything is saying it's overbought right now. Wow. Underbought on the day or oversold big time. It's just trying to come up on the day. That's a good sign. Go right here. What is Apple doing? The gold is still going down. We actually got a sell for gold with the bot. Look at what Bitcoin did. Wow. Bitcoin started right here, went up, and then went way down, and then went way down again. That's probably a sign that cryptos are probably not doing good today. Yeah. XRP's down almost 7% today. Crypto's getting crushed. Ooh. On the 4 hour, we got a sell on US 30. It hit the EMA and went straight down. Wow. Coming up on the hour. The US 30. Let's jump up, up, up. Heat map. Let's see what happened in the hour. The hour and the day is the same thing. Oh, that's for the week. Everything is saying US 30 is going up. Okay, we got 2 minutes to end this candle. Pulling back. Yeah, yesterday was just a day to remember because, man, that was crazy. Yesterday didn't make any sense. I mean, look right here. Today, everything is green. Just imagine everything being red yesterday. That was crazy. Let's see, where's Apple? Apple's going up. And I expect Apple to do something like this today. Like, I really do. Like, we bought it down here, but I feel like it's going to be somewhere, at least trying to reach up here. It's like my long-term trade of the day. I just feel like it's going to be going up like this. And US 30, I'm thinking the same thing about US 30. I'm saying US 30, it went all the way down here, but I really think it should be going like this. And I want to see, okay, so let me see something here. I'm going to put it at the same angle. All right, and I want to see like what it kind of did earlier. So see, I'm predicting something like this to happen. This is the same angle. I'm predicting this to happen like this. We shall see. And you can see how it just flatlined. After it went down really fast, the rest of the day till night, it just didn't do anything. Like a dead trade. And then 3:30, it started picking up. And then 5:30 news came out and they kind of took a down. We'll see if we can get a red or a green candle out of this one. We're looking really, really good. There goes Apple. Apple's going straight up. Hopefully you guys took that trade of the day where you just stay in that one. There goes Apple going up, up and away. US 30 went back down. Wonder if it wants to get back down to this area. It's almost there right now. Like, does it want to get here? Let's see. I'm gonna put a line right here. Wonder if it's looking where all this was consolidated. I wonder if that's pretty low. Then why, if everything's saying is going up, why is it going down? Maybe it's just stalling out before it does like a big candle up. Apple looks really good. It's just going up, 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 up. Hopefully you guys took that one. All right, we're out of here, you guys. Let's look at this US 30 throughout the day and see how high it can get for us.
Quick question.
God bless you guys, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.
Wait. Quick question.
Yes.
Say for instance, you're looking to get in a trade. Say for instance, it's Forex, and you look on a shorter time frame, and it says that it's overbought. Then you look at a longer time frame, and it says it's oversold. How do you come to a conclusion on what to do if you want to get into a trade?
Yeah, that's why we're using 6 different things. It's not just overbought, oversold. Like if we look at Euro right here, Euro JPY, right? The stochastic RSI is overbought, oversold volatility, right? The MACD, and this is in the back office videos, but the MACD is the momentum. Like which way is this going? You can see the momentum is going up when it's white like that. Or when it's green like up here, it means it's going up. So it was down here, and now the momentum is moving up. Okay, it was oversold, and now it's starting to move up right here, you see. And then on the money flow, that means the money already came in. This is like paying somebody at the register. You go in the store, you pay somebody for, some lemon heads or something, but you have to get your change back. So this is moving faster than everything else. So this is telling us like when this starts moving up right here, it will angle up, and that's when it's going to start moving. Then this starts moving, everything starts moving with it. So, there's 3 things right here, indicators: the money flow, stochastic RSI, the MACD. Then you got to come in here and see on the Bollinger Bands, is it too high? Is it too low? Right now, and then the 40% of it is where's the support and where's the resistance. And so that's the actual trading, the bounce strategy is all that put together.
Got you.
Yeah. So you don't want to just trade looking at overbought, oversold, because it'll fail you a lot of the times. But it's just another indicator that we use. Don't ever use just one indicator. Never do that. You're always using like multiple indicators together to tell you what the story is, right? It's like your kid comes home and says, "Oh, Johnny punched me." And then you just get mad and you call Johnny's parents and say, "Hey, Johnny, your kid is a your kid is a piece of crap, Johnny, right? It's like, and then Johnny's dad tells you, well, your kid had called him a name and punched him first, and then my son punched him back in self-defense. Now you're like, oh, right? Using one
you gotta add all the
indicator is
elements
just
of the
like,
equation.
yeah, using one indicator is just taking like one person's side and not even asking them general questions. Like if you would have asked your kid, like, well, why did he punch you? Well, Dad, I threw some sand in his eye and I got mad and took my ball and threw it at him. You know, it's like, oh, that's why you got punched.
Right.
So one indicator is just you jumping to conclusions without asking more questions. So if you use all this stuff together, and then you go talk to Johnny's dad and you say, hey, my son was hit by your son, but it's my son told me that, that he hit your son first. Let's just tell them that they need to be friends and no more fighting tomorrow. Now you got a
Right.
big picture and you have a solution to the problem instead of jumping to a conclusion and just saying, well, your son's a piece of trash because he hit my son.
I understand. Yeah.
Yep.
You got to add in all of the elements of the equation first before you come to a conclusion and a solution. So, okay.
Until you come with a trade. Yep. So US 30 might be trying to reach back down to this green right here and then shoot back up, but I don't even, it should be shooting up right now.
I knew the heat map was going to be bloody when I saw at the news at the gym when they said Amazon was on strike.
Oh, Amazon's on strike.
Yeah.
See, that's the stuff that should have been in this financial news. I didn't know that. Let's see here.
Yes, I saw it on ABC News when I was at the gym. I don't know if it matters, but I think Delta was on strike too. Delta Airlines was on strike, and I think somebody else was on strike. Well, they're protesting.
Yeah, 7 distribution centers walk out.
Mm.
Thousands of people.
That moving the needles.
Yeah, because they want a union, and Amazon says they don't need a union. I mean, it's funny how Amazon, one of our friends was telling me in Lacana that you can get hired on Amazon is through an app and you just click that you want to work and you just show up to work. Like there's no there's no like, what I'm saying? There's no like interview process or nothing. It's just like there's an app and you click, I'm gonna start on Friday. You just get in there and I guess they give you a vest and they tell you what to do real quick. It's crazy. Like that's how
Come
many
on, come
people they
on.
hire, and that's how many people probably they fire, they have this big thing going on. What's the other one?
Uh, it was Delta Airlines. I think it was Delta Airlines. I think they were. I don't know if they're on strike, but they were definitely protesting. Just either Delta. I think it was Delta Airlines.
Well, that's the pilots. The pilots got on strike. Dang. Yeah, see, they want unions too. They're the same thing as Amazon. They're trying to get a union. That's wild.
Mm.
Yeah, people want a union because there's just more protection. But when you're an owner, you don't want a union because you got to do all kind of red tape all the time and do all this and that.
Right.
But we got
Yeah.
to sell for Amazon because of the EMA bounce. I might get out of this Apple trade already. It already went up high as I want anyways.
That was the one you were going to stand for the whole day, right? But okay.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna
Yeah.
get out because I just got that.
Are you going to stay in the US 30?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What is the bot saying right there? What is the bot? I think the bot is indicating a sell.
Yeah, the bot's indicating a sell.
On Apple?
Yeah, on Apple.
Yeah.
So I'm in Apple I bought it, so I'm just gonna get out. I'm done with that one. Yeah, here goes US 30 pulling back up. You looking for it? Yeah, here it is. Here goes that US 30.
No, crypto is getting creamed.